We have a question in the YouTube. Hi there. I've got a question about art styles. I'm having trouble finding my own unique style. When we look at your work, it's obvious you have distinct style. Did you page this Let's Draw Instagram? So you'll see like from the beginning itself, I was like trying to stick to one art style. So in that actually what happened was I wanted to like make arts, but make it like quick also, like not taking like 2-3 days to finish it. So I wanted like finish that like within few hours. So if I choose some sort of a like a fully like rendered art style, I would not have achieved that. So that's also a reason for, for this like tone comic type of a art style I'm like doing at the moment. So yeah, to answer your question, it was not come naturally over time. I was like forced to do this kind of a style, and I got stuck with it. So that's what happened. I hope that answered your question. I think that's actually a good question. I think most of the people have that question, art style related questions. But if you are like a beginner artist, don't focus too much on that style. Just try to follow the basics and hone your like basic art skills, and then maybe you can try to like follow some kind of a art style.